To create a realistic headshot in Artlist AI, start by opening your Artlist account and going to the AI image generator. This tool allows you to generate high-quality portraits using text prompts and optional reference images, making it suitable for professional headshots, profile pictures, and branding visuals. Once you are inside the generator, select a model that is optimized for realism. Models such as Dream 5.0 or other photorealistic options are ideal because they are designed to produce detailed skin textures, accurate lighting, and natural facial features. After selecting the model, choose a portrait-friendly aspect ratio such as 1:1 or 4:5, which works best for headshots and profile images. Next, click inside the prompt box and begin describing the headshot you want to create. A strong headshot prompt should include details about the subject, lighting, background, camera style, and mood. For example, you can describe a professional studio headshot of a young adult with soft natural lighting, neutral background, shallow depth of field, DSLR photography style, and ultra-realistic skin texture. If you want more control over identity or style consistency, you can upload a reference image. This helps the AI maintain facial structure or match a specific look. It is especially useful for creating consistent profile images across different platforms or generating variations of the same person. After writing your prompt and adding any references, adjust your generation settings. You may be able to control image strength, resolution, or style intensity, depending on the available options. For realistic headshots, it is usually best to keep style strength balanced so the output remains natural and not overly stylized. Once everything is ready, click Generate. The AI will process your request and produce several variations of your headshot. These results may include different lighting angles, facial expressions, or background variations depending on your prompt. When the images are generated, review them carefully. Look for clarity in facial features, natural lighting, and realistic skin texture. If the result is not exactly what you want, refine your prompt by adding more specific details, such as lighting direction, camera lens type, or background simplicity. Then generate again. After selecting your preferred image, click Download to save it to your device. You can then use it for professional profiles, resumes, social media, or branding purposes. And that's how you create a realistic headshot in Artlist AI. Select a photorealistic model, use a structured portrait prompt, optionally add a reference image, generate variations, and refine until you achieve a natural and professional result.